Hi, I'm Gared and I'm part of Team Mexico 2024. In this video I'll show you how to do a claw, and also we're going to assemble the last mechanisms that we did in previous videos into one small robot. So let's go ahead. The first thing we're going to do is to fill in two metal bend servo brackets and then attach them to both sides of a small extrusion. Then we're going to take our servos and place them in the metal brackets and attach them with screws and nuts. When we have our servos in the right position, we take our aluminum servo horn and place it on the servo and secure it with these M3 screws. Okay, so now that we have our base for the claw, it's important to remember that depending on the game element we're going to work with, it's how we're going to make the claw. So now that we're going to make it for round objects like balls, we're going to take these two small extrusions and slide it and attach them to the servos. Now we're going to take two 135-degree plastic brackets and attach them to each side of our extrusions. Then we're going to repeat this process but on the other side. So here is a very basic example of a claw you can do. You can see you can vary, for example, you can add another extrusion so you can have more surface of contact, or here add some little wheels so it can grip better. And well, now that we have all our mechanisms by separate, we're going to put it all together and build a small robot. So to attach the claw with the arm, what we're going to do is to take a extrusion, then with these brackets, join it with the claw, and then the other part we're gonna join it with these screws and nuts. So here's finally how your arm and claw will look like. And then let's add it to the drivetrain. To add the arm on the drivetrain, we're going to need to remove this extrusion and then add two small extrusions with inside corner brackets and metal brackets to sustain the arm, and the other one with these internal brackets. to make the arm so that it doesn't wobble, we're going to take these brackets filled with nuts and screws, then put them here on the side of the arm, and with these large extrusions we're going to connect them with the other brackets that are here. And to finish it off, we're going to close our chassis, just as we're going to close it with these small expressions like we mentioned in the first video. So this is how our robot ended up. As you can see, there's many possibilities that you can work with. The arm's height, the claw, or if you want an open or closed chassis, so it depends for what fits better for you. So that was all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. It was the last mechanics chapter, so what we're gonna see next is how to program this robot and also how to do your documentation. So don't miss those videos, and well, bye.